Yes, 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 and we are back. Yo, this is Boquisha Field right here. You know what I'm saying? Yo, quick and fast. If you want to see these videos without me speaking, go ahead and click on the tab right here on the top right. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Subscribe to Logic on Steroids, because we are up and coming and we are rising. You know what I'm saying? Oh, and check out my shorts too. But you know what? Let's get into these bonquacious right here. Got caught in the act doing you know what already. Let's go.
Are you ready?
On July 19th, 2024, police responded to Sephora in reference to an in-progress retail theft involving two female suspects.
Listen, right now, let's go over here to the corner. Because I gotta talk to all you guys about whatever Sephora stuff, okay?
Okay.
So go over here, take a seat. Go over here, take a seat. Yeah, or just lean against the wall. Do you guys got IDs on you?
No, I have mine.
All right.
Son of a bitch! How can she lift her head up wearing those tree fronds she stole from somebody's palm tree? Get her thieving ass fuck out of here!
Remember I told you, all these boosters, shoplifters, never carry the ID with them or say they don't have it.
How old are you guys? How old are you guys?
I'm 19.
19. You guys are all above 18?
Yeah.
Alright. You don't have anything with your name on it? Like credit card, you know, stuff like that?
Yeah, put your hands behind your back.
Gotcha, bitch!
Okay. So, you said she's in.
You fine? Okay. Sit over here.
Sit over here. Take this off, put your hands behind your back.
Gotcha, bitch!
What is going on?
Girl, shut up.
Right now, you guys are being detained for the shoplifting investigation. So, did you write it? So, her.
Nigga, them lashes. Jesus Christ.
Her too? Yeah. Alright, here. I'm gonna put your phone. I'm gonna put your phone and bag down so I don't drop your phone, okay?
Just put my phone right here. Ooh.
Gotcha, bitch!
Hello, viewers. We would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
Make it easier to find you.
I don't have it.
No? Okay.
I didn't bring mine.
Alright. How's it going, man?
What's going on, man?
Not much. What do you got for me?
Another green paradise.
Yeah?
Basically, they walked in. I was on the sales floor, so I noticed her right away with the girl with the shades
Okay.
and the hat, plus the bag. I looked at her. She didn't smile at me or anything. She just
Was she involved at all or no?
The one with
The one that's standing right.
So her face looked kind of suspicious, and it had like a natural reaction. You know what I mean?
No,
She wasn't involved.
She was just doing makeup. Honestly, I think she was just a distraction. But I watched these two, and they separated, and they went by skincare, selected our skincare products. I watched them put it inside the bag from the CCTV, so I got clear footage of them concealing it. She placed an item inside her jacket, and then she put it inside her bag and took out the item in her jacket.
Caught on 4K, clear as day.
They walked out, and that's when I called you guys.
Okay.
And I followed them down there, and I guess they saw me following them, so they turned back and they came this way.
Okay. We're gonna walk over to your office and just look through the stuff. Okay.
They usually park in the back by Neiman Marcus.
They do?
Yeah, because she asked me where the exit was, the one with the cap, and they work in a team.
Okay.
And the escape vehicle gotta be in the back.
Oh, so they have a vehicle in the back.
There's no doubt. That's how they come. Or they come to the truck court, which is not for employees.
They're repeat offenders, I'm guessing.
I got
Yeah.
you. I'll walk over there with you. Just give me 1 second.
Yeah.
He says fine, yeah.
Alright, you're good to get out of here.
I can't just get out of here.
Well, you're gonna have to walk
You're gonna
away.
leave.
Girl, you better leave.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Before they find out what's in your bag too.
I'm gonna go with him real quick. Do you mind to sit with them?
Yeah.
I read both. I read her. Do you read her?
I did.
Perfect.
Do you want me to ask her anything, or?
Just hold off right now. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. You're a bit.
The officer then reviewed the video surveillance and saw both suspects working together to hide numerous items in their bags.
How do you pronounce your first name again? Okay. So again, my name is Officer Timothy, right, with the Coca-Cola Police Department. Again, you're detained right now, right, for my investigation. Okay. So I'm going to afford you the opportunity right now.
I can't hear you.
So I'm going to afford you the opportunity right now to be honest with me and tell me what's going on today. What happened in the Sephora? Why am I here?
Why I'm here?
Why am I here? And why are you in cuffs right now?
Now let's see if she's gonna be honest, so they can give us some kind of leeway.
Her kryptonite is accountability.
I'm gonna let you think. I have cameras on every single angle in that
He
store.
said he take something.
Okay. So did you take something?
Did I take something?
Yes.
He said he seen me do it. Did you do it?
Holy fuck. Now let's see which one of these dumbass answers this motherfucker decides to choose.
I was looking and stuff like that, and I was trying on stuff.
Yes, you did it because you took too long to answer that simple ass question.
We'll be back on Who Wants to Be a Prisoner right after the break.
Look,
Again, right? I'm trying my best to work with you, right? Because it goes a long way. If you're honest with me in the front end of my investigation, it goes a long way, right? I already watched all the camera footage. I know exactly what happened. It's seeing if you're going to be willing.
the man said he saw the camera footage. Damn. If someone did not do it, they would be offended right now. They'd be like, yo, man, I didn't do it, man. I promise you. Go check the cameras.
To work with me and talk to me and tell me what happened.
What
Okay?
you mean? I'm already like in this predicament.
Okay.
You already
Well,
okay.
So here's the thing. Again, if you don't want to talk, you want to tell me what happened, that's fine, right? You're saying, hey, he told you that he saw you take something and you're not admitting to it right now. You're still detained. If you're not going to answer any more of my questions, that's fine. Just hang tight, right?
She's going to where every other chick like her, just like her, goes to next. They go to blaming the cop and putting the anger on the cop. Finding some reason to be mad at the cop who about to arrest him.
So you didn't purchase anything at the store? No. Okay. So why are they saying that you took stuff from the store? Why are they saying that you took stuff from the store?
I don't know. I have a bunch of makeup stuff in my bag because I do like my makeup, but all my makeup stuff is in my bag.
So all your makeup.
Girl, you got your shoplifter attire on. You got the shades on, the low hat. You got your wig on. Girl, stop playing.
Like what I brought from home.
None of the stuff from their store is in your bag. So like I said, they have
You look like you did it.
So would it make any sense that they're watching you while you're putting stuff into your bag?
Would it make any sense?
You're saying you didn't take anything, but they're watching you on the camera while you're sticking stuff in your bag. Is that an accurate statement? Yes.
Did she just take accountability?
Brother, I ain't never seen no shit like this.
So what in that bag belongs to Sephora?
I just got ordinary from there.
You got ordinary?
Yeah.
Is that the skincare or is it makeup?
No, the skincare.
Skincare.
That's all I got.
Okay. What kind of skincare? Is it like oil, face wash?
It's for your face, but I think it's just like
acne stuff? Okay. Now when you got that, who selected it? You or her? Did you take it off the shelf or she did?
When I got the ordinary, I took it off.
You took it off the shelf. Where did you put it?
It's in my bag.
No, I know, but did you stick it in your bag? Did you walk around with it?
No, I didn't walk around with it.
Okay, so you just stuck it straight in your bag. Okay. Do you have money to pay for any of it?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you try to pay for it before you left? Okay. So you...
Oh, they got her right there. You got the money, but you ain't...
went in there with the intent to take something without paying.
There you go. That's what they need.
Okay. So at some point, you came to the conclusion, I'm going to take this without paying. Is that accurate? Okay. I got you.
Gotcha, bitch.
Yeah.
Gotcha ass.
Officer Kuhn is going to go through. I said Officer Kuhn, right? This is the officer that's standing here with.
Officer Kuhn, damn, your ass is going under the jail.
She's going to go through your bag, right, and take out the items that you took, all right? Is this your bag right here? Okay, and this is your phone on top of it, correct?
I didn't know where my phone went.
No, yeah, no, I had your phone, yep.
Oh.
Yep. If you don't mind just going through it.
I got you. Is there anything else or just
I gotta go see because apparently there's a bunch of stuff.
She's saying this, like the ordinary. Was it just one bottle or two?
It was two.
Okay.
Everything else in there is my makeup stuff that I originally had.
You want to have him come over here and take a through it?
Yeah.
There's a bunch of stuff.
I'll walk it over there with him, so it's just easier sort of playing it back and forth. But I know for sure you're saying that it's these two, correct? Okay. All right. Sit tight. Like I said, you're still detained right now, as are you. I'll be right back. All right. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. I'm gonna grab that as well. Okay.
But don't take my whole bag.
Well, I'm taking your whole bag, because right now, again, you're detained. Okay. So you're telling me before that you didn't take anything, but there's gonna be.
I didn't say I didn't take anything. I just said he told you that I took something.
Okay. I'm asking you straight up, right? Because regardless, you're taking a ride with me today. I said, regardless, you're taking a ride with me. You're going to jail today.
I can hear you.
You're going to jail.
Like, so, there's that.
Okay.
You're under arrest, right? So this is simple. I want to go through your bag and make sure, hey, what exactly you took is going to go back to them. If you're saying there's other stuff in here that belongs to you that you paid for, you need to let me know.
You can, what's wrong there?
Okay.
I just got to see what you're taking out though.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
Okay.
You took this?
Yes.
Is this from Sephora?
Yes.
Okay, the stuff you did not pay for, correct?
Right.
Okay.
Gotcha, bitch.
Yes? That's it? The 3 items?
That's all. What else?
Nothing? This? Okay.
That's mine.
Can you just search this one? Yeah. I'm going to bring this one over there because there might be more in here. So we had a bunch of items. I just want to make sure. Yeah, it's yours. These 4 items in here. This is what the girl in the blue dress, the tight blue dress, said that she took. Okay. Those 4 items. So far, the woman in the pink hat with the sunglasses said she just took these 2 ordinaries. She got a bunch of different makeup in here. It all looks older, right? Do you see anything in there that is from your store? I didn't see anything because it all looks used.
Got it. Yeah, she took these out of the box.
Out of the boxes. Okay. Okay.
She must be ugly. Have all that damn makeup. God damn.
Everything else, again, looks like it's all old and it's hers.
She took off those shades and that hat off. And that wig off.
Okay. Not opened. Okay.
Let's see how you really look.
That's the first one. Okay.
Remember, I don't have these emails. Like, are you available to you right now?
Okay. Perfect. She's out there, but she's leaving in 30 minutes. I just wanted to get another officer out there. That's all. That's all good. All right, so listen, you're going to be placed under arrest right now for retail theft, okay? What's that? You'll be placed under arrest for retail theft, okay? You understand? Yes. Taking items out of a store, right? Acting in concert with your friend to take all these items out. So you're being placed under arrest, okay? Officer Coon's going to search you real quick, and then we're going to bring you to the police department to finish paperwork, all right? All right, stand up. 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to Pretty Girl Cam.
Are you going?
And she not even bad look.
But T-Money parked over there. I'm over here. All right, let me walk this way.
They were both charged with retail theft. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
If you're gonna do it, be a pro at it, man. Stop being a rookie going out there doing rookie shit, getting caught. You know what I'm saying? Messing up your record. Well, anyways, go ahead, check out the channel that uploaded this video. You got more videos on their channel. You know what I mean? And subscribe to us, Logic on Steroids. I got more videos coming out. Peace.